Welcome to video by Djsprc. I do apologize for the sound. Microphone issues. I have to use the microphone in the camera. Unfortunately, it's not the greatest, but it is what it is. We have the ProBoat Lucas oil, and it's running on 3S. We love the look of the boat itself. I love the outboard motor. It's just more authentic for my taste. But yeah, let's see how this boat goes. For a small boat on 3S, it is a fast machine to the point that, yeah, it skips. I like that. Perfect example. Right now, basically, to bring it back, you have to physically rock it like that. It should come back. Okay, we'll flip it and we'll be right back. And we're back. We're able to retrieve it, but the plan B to recover in a future video will show it would have been the Atomic SR85. That did not end well either. It's a proven plan, it does work, but on this one here, did not work for our advantage. Basically had to go to the side of the river here and basically recover both boats. And on this guy here, we did lose the prop. It's somewhere in the bottom of the river, but the good part, we have the boat back. That's what counts. And the video will end right there, unfortunately, on this guy here. Thank you guys for watching. There's a little bit of water in it, but it is what it is. If you guys have any questions or comments, post down below. I'd be gladly to answer you guys. And don't forget to subscribe. And if you like this video, hit the thumbs up. I do appreciate it, and it does help the channel. Thank you for watching.